If your LinkedIn results feel inconsistent, one post performing well, the next barely seen, there's a reason for that. It's not the algorithm changing day to day, and it's not LinkedIn working against you. What's changed is how LinkedIn forms an opinion of you. Behind the scenes, LinkedIn now uses a system often referred to as 360 Brew. Most people have never heard of it because it isn't a feature or an update you can see. It's an internal way LinkedIn blends together everything it knows about you, your profile, your content, your engagement, and your behavior over time to decide where you fit and when you should be visible. Once you understand that shift, the changes in reach and results start to make a lot more sense. So let's have a look at what the 360 Brew actually is. At its simplest, it's LinkedIn's way of building a full, blended picture of you over time. Instead of looking at one post or one spike in activity, LinkedIn is now brewing together multiple signals, including your profile content, your themes you post about, how you interact with others and how others interact with you, who you engage with, and how consistent your presence is. All of these signals are combined to answer a few core questions. What are you really about? And who are you relevant to? And when should you be surfaced in the feed or in search? This is a move away from moment-based visibility to pattern-based visibility. And why has LinkedIn built this? Because this change didn't come out of nowhere. LinkedIn has more users, more content, and more noise than ever before. Showing everything to everyone simply isn't possible. So instead of amplifying individual posts in isolation, LinkedIn now prioritizes confidence in identity. If the system can clearly understand your professional focus, your area of contribution, and your role in the wider ecosystem, it's far more likely to surface you consistently. If it can't, visibility becomes sporadic, even if individual posts are strong. That's why people feel they're doing the right things, but seeing unpredictable results. So how's a 360 Brew affecting results? This is where the impact really shows up. Under 360 Brew, one good post can't compensate for an unclear profile. High engagement one week doesn't override mixed signals over time. And jumping between topics makes it harder for LinkedIn to place you. Results now reflect alignment, not effort. People with smaller audiences but clear positioning often outperform those with larger followings but scattered signals. Visibility is no longer earned post by post. It's earned through coherence. This practical shift is subtle, but it is important. LinkedIn success now depends on being clear about what you want to be known for, reinforcing that through your profile, content, and engagement, and resisting the urge to chase every trend or tactic. Consistency here isn't about repetition, it's about reinforcing meaning. The clearer your overall story, the easier it is for LinkedIn to surface you to the right people at the right time. 360 Brew isn't something to fear, but it does mean LinkedIn now rewards clarity over cleverness and alignment over volume. When people say LinkedIn feels harder, what they're really experiencing is a platform that's asking to understand them better. And once that understanding is in place, the results tend to follow.